Looks matter. We all know that. Maybe the world told you they don't. Maybe your mom told you that looks aren't important and that only character matters. And yes, character does matter. But pretending looks don't matter is a lie we tell people to make life feel fair. When you grow up, you start seeing how the world actually works. You see how people treat good-looking people differently. More attention, more patience, more forgiveness, more opportunities. And then you see how average or unattractive people are treated. Ignored more often, interrupted more, disrespected without reason. This isn't evil. This isn't cruelty, this is biology. Humans are wired this way. Even newborn babies who have no social conditioning hold their gaze longer on objectively attractive faces and look away sooner from average ones. Why does this happen? I don't fully know, but the fact that it happens tells us something important. Attraction is built into our system, so instead of becoming bitter about it, instead of hating the world or attractive people, we need to become honest about it. You didn't choose your starting face. You didn't choose your genetics. And people didn't choose this system either. But what you can choose is what you do next. Because here's the truth most people won't say out loud. Yes, you can change how you look. And no, you don't need to be angry to do it. Just promise yourself one thing. When you finally glow up, when people start noticing you, don't become the kind of person who treats average people badly. Because you know how it feels to be invisible. You know how it feels to be left out, ignored, or quietly disrespected. This glow up is not about ego. It's about self-respect. There are thousands of glow-up videos on the internet, and almost all of them repeat the same advice. Drink more water, sleep properly. These are good habits and they are important, but they don't create instant visible change. And the truth is, you already know this. That's why I removed those points from this video. This video is not about things you already understand. This video is about what actually changes how you look in a short time. This is about glowing up in just 7 days. Yes, 1 week. But only if you lock in. And when I say lock in, I mean actually commit. Point number 1. Invest in good clothes. Clothes are the fastest way to upgrade your appearance, and most men underestimate this completely. Not expensive clothes, not luxury brands. Good-fitting clothes. Most men wear clothes that don't respect their body. Either they're too loose and make you look sloppy, or they're too tight and make you look insecure. Good clothes should follow your body shape naturally. They should make you look clean, sharp, and intentional. Start simple. Neutral colors like black, gray, navy, and white. Clean shoes matter more than your shirt. Wrinkled clothes instantly kill attraction, no matter how good your face is. You don't need a whole new wardrobe. You need 1 or 2 outfits that make you feel sharp when you put them on. When your clothes fit properly, something interesting happens. Your posture improves automatically. Your confidence rises without effort. Clothes don't make you attractive. They remove distractions that make you look bad. Point number 2. Focus on your skin health. Your skin is one of the first things people notice about your face. Clear, healthy skin makes you look younger, fresher, and more attractive instantly. One simple habit that helps fast is icing your face. Gently rubbing ice on your face for a short time reduces puffiness, tightens the skin, and sharpens your facial features. This alone can change how your face looks in the mirror. But skin health doesn't start on the surface. It starts inside your body. Your gut health is directly connected to your skin. If your gut is unhealthy, your skin usually looks dull, inflamed, or uneven. That's why junk food and excess sugar show up on your face. Even improving your diet slightly for a week can make a visible difference. Another mistake most men make is drying their face with towels. Towels carry bacteria and can irritate your skin. Instead of rubbing your face dry, let it air dry naturally. At night, apply aloe vera gel. It's cheap, natural, and extremely powerful. It calms the skin, reduces inflammation, and improves texture over time. Clear skin doesn't come from expensive products. It comes from consistency and awareness. Point number 3, your posture. Posture is one of those things everyone knows about but almost no one fixes. The moment I mentioned posture, you probably straightened up. That right there proves the problem. We know what we're doing wrong, but we keep doing it anyway. Bad posture makes you look insecure, tired, and weak, even if you're not. Good posture makes you look confident, calm, and masculine without saying a word. Your shoulders should be back, your chest open, and your neck straight. Whether you're sitting, standing, or walking, your posture is constantly sending a message about how you see yourself. You don't need muscles to look confident. You need alignment. Fixing your posture alone can completely change how people perceive you. Point number 4, hygiene. Your goal, remove what makes you look bad. Hygiene doesn't make you handsome. It removes ugliness. And removing ugliness can easily improve your appearance by 15 to 20%. Fix the shape of your hair, not necessarily the haircut, but how it sits and frames your face. Clean your beard lines or shave properly instead of leaving messy edges. Cut your nails. Clean your eyebrows. Yes, eyebrows matter more than you think. Wash your face properly, not aggressively, because harsh washing damages your skin. And be honest with yourself. Throw out at least one ugly outfit you keep wearing. Just one. These small fixes don't sound dramatic, but together they change how clean, sharp, and put together you look. Hygiene is silent improvement, but it's powerful. Point number 5. Your speech. The way you speak affects how attractive you appear more than you realize. Mumbling, rushing through sentences, or stuttering makes you look insecure, even if you're intelligent. Think about strong movie characters or leaders you respect. None of them mumble. They speak clearly, slowly, and with intention. You don't need a deep voice. You need control, full pronunciation, calm delivery, small pauses between sentences. When you speak like this, people listen more. A man who controls his speech controls how others perceive him. Point number 6. Start losing fat. No, you won't completely transform your body in 7 days. And that's fine. What matters is starting. Even small changes can create visible results. Reducing salt, eating lighter meals, and moving your body daily can reduce bloating and puffiness, especially in your face. Your jawline may look slightly sharper. Your body may feel tighter. Seeing even small progress boosts your confidence instantly, and confidence changes how you carry yourself. Momentum matters more than perfection. Point number 7. Your hair. There's a saying that hair is makeup for men, and it's true. Hair can make you look 10 times better or completely ruin your appearance. The right hairstyle enhances your face shape and strengthens your features. The wrong one does the opposite. Your hair frames your face and creates your first impression before you even speak. Find a hairstyle that suits your face shape. Keep it clean and style it properly. Don't ignore it. Hair alone can change how people treat you. And when people treat you better, your confidence doesn't need to be forced. It grows automatically. That's how this works in real life. This isn't motivation, and it isn't fair. People treat you better when you look better, not when you complain about it. You can stay stuck and cope, or you can accept how the system works and use it to your advantage. And to be honest, 7 days is enough to change how you're perceived and start transforming yourself, but only if you actually lock in and do the work every day. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and start now instead of waiting for the perfect moment. No one is coming to save you, but you can save yourself. So don't waste your time, my friend. Get up and start doing the work. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.